Hey everyone, how's it going? So, wanted to give a little update on my progress. I haven't been able to record very much, mostly due to lack of signal and, you know, just being busy. But I've been accepted into ABSE TESOL in Phnom Penh, Cambodia. I've paid the first part of the deposit, and I'm working on the other steps that I need to complete to be able to go. I have my background check in, and my passport is, well, it's in the local post office. I'm probably gonna have to wait till Monday before I can get it, just because it's the weekend. Uh, what else? Let's see. I put in my notice for work. My last day will be the 10th, next week, next Wednesday. After that, I can start focusing more on the final preparations for leaving and the you know, doing more videos. 4 days after, on the 14th, I will turn 40. It'll be my birthday. I'm gonna do some videos in that time, uh, introducing people to my family and friends, maybe getting their reactions about this decision that I've made. Um, some of my children will be present, and my mom, brother, a few buddies. Anna's over here listening to me record this now. Uh, but yeah, I wanted to do a live stream for that particular time, but I don't think I'm going to be able to. Most of my friends, my brother included, I see you, Johnny. Uh, they're not exactly PG, um, so I'm going to do a video instead. I'm going to have a friend record just the area where we're all having the conversation. I'll try to get introductions in before we get started, but we'll see how it goes. Uh, some more updates for the channel. So Anna and I were hanging out today, and we found a car show. It had several pretty cool looking cars. Anna got to go in and sat in the driver's seat of one, and we spoke to an individual that owned one of the cars. I was actually going to live stream the car show and stuff today, but apparently you need 50 subscribers to do it on your phone. So I wasn't able to while I was out and about. But I've got the videos, so we'll get them on the channel. But I want to do some more live streams and get to know the people that subscribed. Um, introduce them to the family, and let them hang out with Anna, uh, and give you guys a chance to ask some questions. I don't know that I'll have all the answers to all the questions, but I'll do my best to give, you know, as honest of a response to whatever questions you have as I can. So that's where we're at right now. I have a little more waiting to do. I have some more preparation. There's a form I need to get on and fill out for traveling to Cambodia. I need to meet with the director of the school again to work out some visa stuff. But that's where we're at. So you guys hold on, it's coming. Oh, my date for departure. I'm shooting for July the 11th. So we'll see how that goes. Right now, it's not set in stone. I want to stay here through the 4th to hang out with my family, and my uncle is also having a birthday get together. So I plan on staying till at least the 11th so that I can do all of those things. I might hop on a plane that evening if I have everything done. After the party, I can shoot down to Memphis or back up to Springfield and be on my way. Maybe a day or so later. We'll see. But anyway, that's where we're at, guys. That's my update, and I'll see y'all next time, or hopefully in the lives we can hang out. Peace out.